Hello and welcome to Granny Chapter 2. So, one thing I know, this is a 2019 game, 2019 game. But the one thing that you guys asked me is play Granny, escape Granny 2, but on the last day. So I got really shocked right there. So let's jump in. And if you're new to the channel, why don't you hit that subscribe button so you will have every single video a day. I promise. Right, let's play. So we have difficulties. We're going to keep easy. Granny or Grandpa? Um, you know what? Let's just go for both right now because, um, like, it's already so hard with both of them in hard mode. And you know what? Extra locks on nightmare. Do I want to do even nightmare? Maybe no. No, we're not gonna do nightmare. So we have easy mode, both of them, and quality is high. Right. Let's go and do this. So if everything's set up all already, so all I have to do is just die 4 times. Okay, stay one. I'll be right back. Alright, let's go. Oh my god, I have an ad. Oh my god, bottle flip? Don't mind if I do. Oh, I lost. Alright, never mind. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Go. Alright, there we go. Day 5, the last day. Guys, you have to wish me luck so I can do this all in one time. Oh my god, guys, I'm so scared. My first thing is to get the stun gun. The weapon key is not now because the stun gun is helpful. Alright, let's dingling. Wait, no. Let's dingling this. And so both of them should come right here. We don't know. Grandpa can hear this. Hold on. Wait. Look at this, Grandpa. I'm just waiting for the next. I'm gonna risk it. There we go. There we go. Alright. Cool. Fantastic and cool. Let's check everything. I am the old spy on the eye. Okay. Alright, this is the last day, so I had to be careful. Do I even want to do the front door or anything? Or the... I don't know. Let's do the front door ending. Okay. I'm coming get you. Granny, if you come, can I get you? Oh, no, you don't. Oh, to you too, sir. I have to be careful because Granny can hear that. Oh my god, she's coming. Oh my god, she's here. Ah, there we go. Nice. Okay, go. Drop this and get the security key. Nice. Alright, security goes here. Let's drop this. Okay, there's nothing here. Let's go and let's try to set everything that we have. Door handle, cause not so bad. We have the gasoline, we don't need that. Nothing here. We have the glass fuse, we don't need that because we are using the front door. Oh, what about like this? We crash the helicopter and then okay, let's see what's in here. The wrenchy. I need the wrenchy. Okay, before I do anything, I have to wrench this, and I can't go yet because I knew these guys are gonna spawn. Okay, do this. Bam. Alright, cool. And now I can now go, but I'm not gonna go until I have my stun gun. Ready, Grandpa, where are you? I don't want to get in trouble. Okay, ghosty clearing. Good, good. Alright, get this. Let's go up. Up, 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 up. Ooh, 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 ooh. There we go. Alright, alright, let's drop this. Okay, let's see what we have. Ooh, hand grenades. That's cool. Alright, good. Nothing here. Ooh, helicopter manual. Okay, I just want to say this. Not sure this is gonna work. This. Okay. Shoot this. Please don't miss. Please don't miss. Please don't miss. I miss actually. Yeah, I really did miss, but I don't know how. I got it. Right. Now I don't know what happened. Like, if I shoot here, yeah. Alright, so we know we these cutting pliers. Oh, I thought I can throw it through the wall. Okay, we have hand grenades. Yo, you're gonna get so much blast everywhere, Granny. Okay, we have these. Let's take all three of them out. I literally just throw that stun gun. For my calculation, do I already hear them respawn? I don't exactly know that. Okay, one thing I had to knock this off. Ugh. There we go. It's that simple. Okay, one thing I want to do, take one of these hand grenades, go back here. Wait, where's another one? Oh, they're back. They're back. I can hear them. I hear them. They are back. So, oh my god. One of that is over here. Jeez. Okay, I have to do this really, really quickly. Take it. Run! Alright, alright. Go, 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 go. Alright. Oh, Grandpa's right there. Nice. Yeah. Come on, come on. I don't want to shoot Grandpa because I know he's coming for me. Not he's coming for me. I know Granny will come from there. Alright. Granny! Granny! Oh, there you are. Okay. So now I need Grandpa to come. Right, sorry, Granny. Move out. Move, move, move. Okay, that should create much noise so Grandpa can come. Come on, come take care of your wife. Alright, so now I have to shoot. Alright, now shoot him, grab the hand grenade, and then bomb. And then... to you too, sir! Ugh. I'm so scared. I'm literally just so scared that I'm going to die soon. If I screw one bit... That was a perfect glitch. If I screw up one bit... I had to restart it all again. Alright. Fire in the hole! I did it. Yay! That's just the crowbar. Alright. Don't forget we have another one to test. Let's just pull this book. Alright. So they doesn't spawn now. Yeah, just 2 minutes into it. You know what? Let's crash the helicopter and then let's escape through the front door. Yeah, let's do that. Alright, let's open this box, which is the weapon key. Yes, baby. Mama. Alright. Okay, let's go. So the weapon key goes in here. Which now we can get the shotgun. Oh god. Oh god. Hello? Okay, no with you. Hello again? Okay. Right. Alright. This one I'm gonna do. Drop these up here. We have one. Plum. Okay, here's a piece of picture. There's another one right there. Okay. Okay, let's take this. Let's go on top. And then we'll be safe. Okay. Alright, pop this right here. Cool, nice. And now, I can wait for them to spawn out so I can shoot them. Hello, where you at? Yeah, I can hear them. They spawn. Come on, Granny. Come on, Granny. I know you're here. There we go. Alright, hello. Headshot. Boom. Granddad. Granddad. Whatever his name is. Grandpa or Granddad. Who cares? Okay. Where is he? 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 Oh my god. Oh my god. Where? You see me? Okay. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Let's go. Let's go. Take this. And don't forget, that's one with the baby. Don't forget. I could put this right here. And so after I can take it, go upstairs. Alright. Let's see what's here. The hand wheel. Okay. Okay, I think I don't need this. Let's just chuck it right over here. Oh, the glass fuse. I need that. Your boy need that so much. Alright. Here's the last piece. Let's go up. Okay. And I do need Grandpa's favorite boss. Because he can't hear anything other than this boss. Right. So I'm gonna rush down. I mean, like, you cannot do this. This is so stupid. Otherwise you'll die. Alright, go. Alright, get up. Oh my god. Got the shotgun. Close the door. No, close the door. There you go. Alright. So they can't. Okay, so they will respawn at the same time. Okay, but one thing, they can't climb up ladders, guys. Okay, so we are safe up here. Okay, so they won't climb up ladders. All right, so we are safe up here. All right, one here. I don't need that. All right, let's crash the helicopter and then escape through the front door. All right, so I know I used the. Okay. Let's open this. There we go. Let's get some ammo real quick, because I don't know. How you get it? There we go. Alright, let's go. So, they will not respawn right now. I don't know. Man, I'm making so much progress. Okay. Ding! I got it! Yay! Oh, yay! Alright, let's get more. I don't want all of these to disappear. Ash? Okay. Alright, this baby is... I actually hear Granny playing the piano. I actually hear her. Right, drop this. Let's alert them. Boop. Alright, this should call both of them. I should be able to shoot them. Okay. Are they even coming? Hello? I got both of them. Alright, drop this. Oh, I'm so fat. Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Alright, there we go. Nice. Alright, let's grab the glass fuse and then let's go. Right, glass fuse right here. And now let's go up. I found stuff here. Let's see for some stuff. Oh, duct tape. Okay, we need that thing. Okay, duct tape's right here. Right, drop the glass fuse right here. Cool. Nice. And then let's grab the duct tape. Nice. Cool. Bam. Alright, open this. Nice. Drop that. Alright, now let's see anything. Something we can maybe use in the drawers, please, please. Save key. Okay, save key. Okay, we can do the save key later. But now it's not the time. Because I know these people are going to come. And once I go, right, 1 and 2. Okay, so I have 2 more items to bring them up. Okay, we have the vase. Let's grab the glass. My calculation, do I already hear them respawn? They're gone for 2 minutes and 30. That's been long enough. Alright. Alright, here's the next one. Let's go up. Okay. All of this is done. Alright, let's go. Okay. I don't want to screw this up. Right, put this in here. Now I can walk across. And hey! Okay. So all we need to do is crash this helicopter and then we can escape to the front door. On the last day, guys. On the last day. Hopefully I won't die. And hopefully I won't do anything stupid. Like I usually do. Okay. So here is the hold on. Okay, we have nothing. Okay, alright. So it's just a quick setting. Okay, so we have 2 more grenades right here. Okay, let's drop these right in here. Close it. Really? Come on. Alright. Never mind. Oh, I forgot. I had to reload it. Okay. There's more bullets. Okay, here. We got 2 more bullets. Okay, we get here. We got 2 more bullets. Okay. Drop this. Duct tape. Use this to fix the blade. Cool. Next, we need the gasoline and we need the helicopter key. I think they will respawn, so I should be able to do this real quick. Okay, drop this. Okay, that should allow both of them right here. Hello. And I need Grandpa to come here so I can do this. I need Grandpa. Come on, Grandpa. Do you care about it? 1 and 2. There we go. Ma'am. Alright, let's reload this. Alright. Alright, let's check for anything. We have the cutting pliers. Move, move, move. Move. Move, move. Get out of the way. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh god. Move these. Move the boxes. I can't remember where the helicopter key is. Just really bad. We need to remove it. I don't know what happened. Okay, but never mind. Okay, snip this. Don't forget there's another one upstairs. Where's the gasoline? The gasoline. Oh, the gas. The gasoline is in the bathroom. Okay, let's drop it. Okay, that's the helicopter key. Alright, they won't spawn right now. Guess so. But now, all we have to do is become very, very, very sneaky indeed. All we have to do is become very, very sneaky. Alright, cool. Nice. Alright, now, cool. Drop the gas. Nice. Then grab the gun. Cool. I just might keep the shotgun just in case. I don't want to use the shotgun right now. Let me use the stun gun. It's okay. No. It's a shotgun. Shotgun is perfect. Because I have 2 more bullets, so I can use them on boat. Oh. You know what else I forgot? I forgot the waste, man. Right. Drop that. Okay, grab the waste. Go! Okay, waste acquired. Nice. Okay, alright. Helicopter key right over here. Bam. There we go, they respawn. They already respawn. Okay. Let's get in. I can't control a helicopter. This can end badly now. Let's go and let's crash and die. Which is absolutely stupid. But don't worry. We will escape the last day itself. Oh god. Okay, maybe this is a bad idea. Cause this is the last day. When it crash, I think I'll die. I don't know exactly. I don't know what happened. Did I die? Did I die? Oh no, I didn't. Wait, oh my god. But the helicopter is badly damaged. Oh my god. There's fire everywhere. Can I still pick up the key? I think I can't. Alright. What is this? Okay, so I can't pick up the key. But at least I can pick up the items. Alright, let's drop this. Can I still pick up the key right now? Okay, so I think once you crash the helicopter, you can't pick up the key anymore. But that's okay. I have to put both of them into place. Right. Alright, drop this waste. And then they're gonna come and save their waste. They're gonna come save their waste. Hello? Hello? Oh, there you are. 1, 2. There we go. Nice. 1 and 2. Great. Alright, drop this right here. Here's the hand wheel. We need this. Okay, go spin it. And don't forget, there's another crate upstairs which we needed. Okay, so this is the last day, so I can't screw up. All we need is the padlock key, that's all. Okay. I think the padlock key is gonna be in that crate for sure. If it's not, I don't know what else to expect. What's this? Padlock key! Yes, we're getting out, guys. On the last day. Oh my god. Oh my god, you asked me to do this and I did it. So did it work? Did it work? Padlock key? Cool. Yes! The last day! I escaped! Woo! I did it! Yes, the 2 of them. Oh my god. How did I did that? Wait, and I didn't even check the safe. But that's okay. Because I did it. Okay guys, that is going to be the end of Granny 2. Hopefully you guys like this video. Guys, this has been insane work. So if you like it, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. And I'll see all of you guys in the next video soon.